Hey, what bitches you be looking at, bro? Let me see. You trying to hook me up with the neighbor's alarm clock? The fuck you looking at, nigga? Chipapi, my nigga.
I'm done playing with you. You know what? Come here. I got something for you. Sup, little nigga?
I gotta do the thing. Gotta wake him up. That shit was weak. Let me try this. Wow. Hey, yo, what the fuck? Nigga.
Wake your bitch ass up!
Look, man, we got a lot of shit to do today, okay? We gotta get some bitches. I know for a fact this nigga did not just snooze me. Man, get your skin tone, chicken bone, Google Chrome, no home, flip phone, disown, ice cream cone, garden gnome, extra chromosome, full blown ass, stupid long, can't make women moan in the bed in this dry ass scum. Hey, what bitches you be looking at, bro? Let me see. You trying to hook me up with the neighbor's alarm clock? I heard she got that Glock 3000. You know what I'm saying? Oh, God. Yeah, drink up, thirsty ass, looking ass nigga. Looking like the Sahara Desert up in this bitch. God damn! What the fuck you looking at, nigga?
5 more minutes.
Oh, hell no! Where was I? Oh, yeah. Overgrown, Flintstone looking ass, Post Malone friend, one fucking dust zone, rust drawn. Misguided, didn't have a father to grow up with. No mom. Chipapi, my nigga. Hey, I'm playing. Hey, you good? Hey, yo, is this nigga dead? The fuck am I gonna do now? Oh my god, fuck you, man. Fuck this job. I'm just trying to see the girl from next door. Bro, your breath stank. The fuck, man. Keep playing with me, see what happens. The fuck you looking at, nigga? Hey, I'm playing. Bro, you almost hit me. I'm done playing with you. You know what? Come here. I got something for you. Sup, little nigga?
I'm up.
Yeah, you better be, nigga.
That's how I wake up every morning, you guys. Nah, just kidding. I want to give a huge shout out to my boy John for doing the voiceover for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and leave his Instagram linked in the description below. He's got some awesome videos. He's got some awesome photos. He's actually taken a couple of mine. So go ahead and check him out. Give him a follow. Leave a like. Speaking of likes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and while you're at it, turn on your post notifications just so you know when I post a video. I hope you guys have a great day or night, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace!
No growth. Fuck. I'm sorry. I had it and then I fucked it up. Oh wait.
You're supposed to go there.
Yeah, I just didn't hear any. We got a lot of shit to do. Oh fuck. No, it's fine. Maybe that last part was a little bit too fast. Oh, can I go?
Yeah.
Okay. Looking like. Oh, the Sahara Desert. I was like, who's that? Sorry.
Alright. And that's how I wake up every morning. What'd you do?
I was throwing